We're explaining the Microsoft Jet database engine could not find the object error in SSIS. This frustrating error typically pops up when your SQL Server Integration Services (SSIS) package tries to access a Microsoft Access Database .mdb or .accdb and can't locate the table, query, or other database object you specified. Let's break down the common causes and how to fix them. 1. Incorrect connection string. Double-check your connection string in the SSIS package. A tiny typo in the database file path, the table name, or even the password can trigger this error. Carefully compare the path in your connection string to the actual location of your Access database file. Make sure the file name and extension are correct. 2. Database file location. Ensure the Access database file exists in the location specified by the connection string. It's easy to accidentally move or rename the file after setting up the SSIS package. If the database is on a network share, confirm that the network connection is stable and that you have the necessary permissions to access it. 3. Table or object name. Verify that the table or query name you're referencing in your SSIS data flow task actually exists in the Access database. Case sensitivity might be a factor. Try using the exact capitalization as it appears in the Access database. Use the Access database itself to confirm the object name. 4. Data Source View, DSV. If you're using a DSV, ensure that it accurately reflects the structure of your Access database. An outdated or incorrectly configured DSV can cause this error. Consider refreshing the DSV or creating a new one that directly connects to your Access database. 5. File permissions. Your SSIS service account, the account under which the SSIS package runs, needs read permissions for the Access database file. Check the file permissions and grant the necessary access to the service account. 6. Jet database engine. In rare cases, problems with the Microsoft Access database engine itself can cause this error. Make sure the correct version of the Access database engine is installed on the server where the SSIS package is running and that it's properly configured. Consider repairing or reinstalling the database engine. 7. Database corruption. If none of the above solves the problem, the Access database file might be corrupted. Try compacting and repairing the database using Access itself. If the corruption is severe, you may need to restore from a backup. 8. Data type mismatches. While less likely to directly cause this specific error message, mismatched data types between your Access table and your SSIS package can lead to errors during the data transfer process. Carefully examine the data types in your Access table and make sure they're compatible with those used in your SSIS package. Remember to deploy your SSIS package to the correct server and environment and thoroughly test it after making any changes. These troubleshooting steps should help identify and resolve the Microsoft Jet database engine could not find the object error in your SSIS packages. If you've tried all these solutions and still have issues, provide more details, like the relevant parts of your connection string and SSIS package configuration, for more specific guidance.